You just finished sinking a bunch of time into drawing a great version of your favorite character, like maybe Donnie here for the new Mutant Mayhem movie. Now you could just move on to another character, but why not build on what you've learned from drawing that pose by trying this simple thumbnail exercise? Start by taking a moment to study the position of the body of your character, where each limb and feature is in relation to everything else on that character. And while you're doing that, imagine how that exact pose would look drawn from other angles. Now draw some thumbnails. In the case of my Donnie drawing, imagine him facing left instead of right, or maybe a profile of that pose, the left profile, then the right, and finally, maybe one from behind. I think you get the idea. Notice I'm not drawing in the details of Donnie's eyes, glasses, mask, or other details. You can add all that later, but the point of this exercise is to loosen up your hand and engage your brain. Try this with any character in any pose. I promise it will improve your understanding of that character and sharpen your skills. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for the full video on drawing Donatello or Donnie from the new Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles movie and hundreds of other videos.